The blight of deforestation is spreading rapidly throughout the developing world. One of the poorest countries in the world, with a per capita yearly income of less than $150, Haiti, is in a state of almost irreversible environmental degradation. Over 1/3 of Haiti's arable land has already been rendered useless for agriculture. Charcoal and wood provide over 85% of its energy, and the quest for firewood is a major cause of deforestation. The Haitians are literally burning away their future. In his office in Washington, Michael Benge, an agroforester at the Agency for International Development, says the solution is as simple as a tree called Leucaena.
It's a very rapid-growing tree, one of the most rapid-growing trees in the world. That at least has been identified and is being worked with extensively. Actually, this tree that you see here in the background is not a very good picture of the tree because it does grow in these tropical areas at a much more rapid rate. This is a tree that was grown in the Philippines, and it is approximately 5 to 6 years of age. So you can see in these areas that it outgrows anything compared to what you might have here in the temperate climate countries.
Leucaena's giant varieties grow to heights of 65 feet in just 5 years. One of the giant varieties can produce about 20,000 seeds a year. Its root structure enables it to pump life-giving nitrogen and other nutrients to its companion crops. Rich in protein, Leucaena's leaves and young pods are also eaten by people in Asia and Latin America. There are many species of fast-growing trees which could be planted in developing countries with beneficial results, but Leucaena seems to outshine them all.
The leaves of this tree contain about 33% protein by dry weight. This surpasses that of alfalfa and clover, and there are experiments that have been conducted, and it produces anywhere from about 14 to 28 metric ton of forage by dry weight per hectare per year, and that is a very large amount of forage. Why is it important to us? Well, America imports a large amount of its beef. We really are not self-sufficient in beef and other meats, and much of our processed meat and our hamburger for fast food chains comes from areas like Latin America. And in these areas, like I said, they have very hard time feeding livestock for about 3 months out of the year.
According to agroforester Mike Benge, the Leucaena tree also has its limitations. For example, its exceptional yields occur only in fertile, well-drained soils where rainfall or irrigation is adequate. But the versatility of this remarkable tree stretches the imagination. And in the poor developing countries where massive destruction of tropical rainforests can mean disaster, Leucaena is seen as the tree that could be king.